We're here in Palmer at Custom Aircraft visiting Richard Walker. The reason we're here is we just put the engine, it's a Lycoming 0320, 160 horse that Richard ported and polished and balanced and made run really good. We just put it on the dyno today. So we're up here to interview Richard Walker about what he did to this engine to get all this horsepower. He'll tell you about how good the horsepower rating it did. And once again, you can buy tickets to win this airplane at Alaska Airmen's Association, or come by my hangar, and I have a kiosk at my hangar at Lake Hood in Anchorage, Alaska. And here's Richard.
Thanks, Steve. So we've got the engine up and running today, finally. Originally, Steve brought us an 0320 core. We did our standard routine, took it apart, cleaned it, inspected all the parts. Fairly standard operation. Once that was all cleaned up and ready to go back together, then we start doing some of the fun stuff. Most of what we do as far as making it run better and smoother comes from our porting in the cylinders and the sump. Beyond that, we've balanced all the components to make it a little more reliable, a little smoother. And the end result, we dynoed it today. It made just over 180 horsepower at the rated RPM. So we're pretty happy with that. It's got a spiffy orange color on it. That's kind of fun for us to do. We like to paint stuff different colors because it's the old Lycoming gray gets a little boring from time to time. But I think it looks pretty spiffy, and it's going to be a hell of an airplane when it's all done. The engine is obviously a fairly important part of that, so we're proud to be able to assist in making this happen.